Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download TradingView application on your iOS. To download TradingView application on your iOS device, first of all, open your App Store. Soon after you do that, tap on the search box at the bottom right corner and then go to the top of the screen and type in TradingView. Once you search for TradingView, look for the TradingView Track All Markets application, which looks like this, and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Sign in with your Apple ID or your Face ID, and your download process should begin. TradingView is a popular platform for charting, market analysis, and trading tools widely used by traders and investors across various markets, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open the app on your device. Now on your iOS device, you can continue logging in with your Apple ID and then your Apple ID's password. That is how you can easily download TradingView on your iPhone or your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode.